In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook in just a few simple steps. Dark mode changes the background of the Facebook app to a darker theme, which can be easier on your eyes, especially at night. It also helps reduce screen brightness and can make the app more comfortable to use for long periods. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy to expand the options. Here you'll see an option called Dark Mode. Tap on Dark Mode, and you'll see a few options available. Select on to enable dark mode immediately. Once you tap it, the Facebook app will switch to the dark theme. You may also see a system option. If you choose this, Facebook will automatically match the theme of your phone, switching between light and dark mode depending on your device settings. And that's it. That's how you can enable dark mode on Facebook. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.